Hi, in this video we will see how we can use negative keywords and negative keyword lists in Google Ads. If you're new to digital marketing and Google Ads, then this is the right video for you. My name is Chris and for the past few years I'm working as a digital marketer. So let's begin. In this example we have a locksmith ad campaign for a locksmith client that we have in Arizona. When we are trying to build a negative keyword list, we will have to keep in mind what our client's focus and target is. For example, in this scenario, our locksmith client has services for car, moto and garage. So we have 4 different ad groups right here. One that is a more general ad group with locksmith services in Arizona. The second ad group has some keywords that are targeted for locksmith services for a car. For example, if an owner of a car has lost his key or he wants to create a second one, he would need a second car key. So in this example we have this keyword for this scenario. On the ad group for the motorcycles, it's the same thing, and it's the same thing for the ad group of the garage. After the campaign has launched and is running while gathering data for the past few days, we will see some keyword searches and terms that users are searching on. Then we can see some relevant or irrelevant queries that users have made, and we can exclude them as well. When we use negative keywords, we can use them on the ad group level or on the campaign level. That depends on how we want to structure our campaign structure and how we want to manage and optimize our campaign in general. For example, in this ad group, in the garage ad group, we can go to the negative keywords here and we can put some negative keywords like car lock or locks or car locksmith, because this ad group and these ads are specified only for garage services. We don't want to show them in search queries where we have car locks or car locksmith keywords. So for example, we can use them right like this. And now we have put 2 phrase keywords as negative keywords. So this specific ad group won't be shown in some relative keywords like this. In this scenario, we may want to put them as exact match. That would be even better, because it has the lock and the car right here, and that would be conflicting with the relevant search keywords that we aim. For example, in the motorcycle ad group, we can use some negative keywords like SISA. If you know, SISA is a company that makes locks and locksmith, but mainly on home and garage. So SISA locks, SISA locksmith, or plain SISA. And we can use them as exact match as well. That would be even better. And for example, now we want also to use the same negative keywords from the moto ad group to the car ad group. So we will go here, negative keywords, add new negative keywords, and on the ad group level we will use the same negative keywords. And now we're okay. If we have some more general negative keywords for a specific campaign, for example right here, if for example this campaign was only for car keys, so we would essentially have this ad group and not the others. We could go to the negative keywords, we could select the campaign, so we would select this campaign right here with all the ad groups inside, and then we could input the keywords that we would like. Afterwards we could save these keywords as a negative keyword list. For example, that would be keys manufacturer, home negative keyword list, and we can say hit save. So from right here in this section we can see that we have 3 keywords that are specified on the ad group level in the campaign Locksmith Arizona ad group to car, and we have 1 negative keyword list for the whole campaign. If we go inside the negative keyword list, this is the list that we just made, we can also put other key manufacturers. For example, Abus is a key manufacturer that makes keys generally for motorcycles and home. So in the hypothesis that we have a unique campaign that is only for car keys, then we could use all the negative keywords into our negative keyword list. And as the campaign runs for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months and more, and as the negative keywords keep building up, it's much more easier to optimize and manage all the negative keywords, because trust me, after 6 to 7 months of managing one campaign, you may have around 1,000 to 2,000 or 3,000 negative keywords. And if all the keywords are like as simple keywords put on an ad group or on a campaign, it's not manageable. So what you have to keep in mind regarding the negative keywords and the negative keywords list is how you want to structure your campaign, how you want to structure your whole strategy around this ad account that you are managing, and from there you can start managing your negative keywords, which is very important for the overall performance of the campaign. One really important thing that you have to keep in mind is that when your normal keywords that you target and the negative keywords that you have excluded from this specific ad group or campaign are conflicting, then you will see the campaign underperforming. Also, the Google will show you some notifications and some recommendations, even on the recommendation section, or there are some choices on the auto apply recommendations where you can select or not select depending on how you want to manage the account. And that is pretty much how you have to organize your strategy around the negative keywords. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.